A wooden dash in a modern car in 2023. What were Tesla thinking? Admittedly, I don't think this is the worst wood effect dash possible, but it's always been something I wanted to change in my car. It never really went with the rest of the interior in my opinion. I already have the carbon fibre effect wrap to cover the piano black, which is prone to fingerprints on the centre console. The Alcantara looks great on the door cards to give it that more slightly premium feel. And thankfully, the guys at TL Yard have been kind enough to send me this. This is an Alcantara dash piece designed to stick over the top of the existing dash and give it that upgraded and more modern look. In this video, I'll be installing the two dash pieces and giving my honest opinion on the overall feel and quality of the product. Check out the TL Yard site, which is linked in the description. They have some amazing Tesla accessories, and I'll probably go back to their site and buy a few more bits, as there's some really good stuff for sale. Also, be sure to use the discount code, also in the description, to make some savings across the site as well. Hi everyone, I'm Danny V Solar, and on this channel you can follow my journey all things renewable, EVs, solar and much more. In this video I'll be installing the Alcantara dash on my Tesla Model 3, and as you can see it comes with some strong double-sided tape on the back of the dash pieces. The kit comes in two pieces and basically just sticks over the top of the existing wooden dash. You also get some additional tape with it to give it some extra stick if required. In the end I didn't need to use this, but it's there if you need it. I did make sure that I warmed the car up enough first before I stuck this on, just to help the glue on the tape to stick that bit better. No tools, no glue or anything else required, so a very easy install. Let's see how it went. Well, there you go, all installed and fitted, and I think that makes a massive difference to the interior of the car. The install took me around about 5 or 10 minutes to fit, so really easy, really straightforward. Just line it up and stick the two pieces on essentially. So this is available for all versions of the Model 3 up to 2023. Obviously the post 2021 models all have the Alcantara running into the door cards as well. So if you have the model after 2021, you'll need to also buy the additional door card pieces as well. The dash panels themselves are actually really great. They're much thinner than I expected them to be, but also pretty solid as well, and the Alcantara feels like a good quality material. I'll be totally honest, I didn't expect it to look as good as it does, and I didn't expect the quality of the panels to be quite as good as they actually are, and aesthetically it makes a world of difference to the interior of the car now. I'm really happy with the outcome. There are a couple of points that I'm not so keen on. One thing is the fact that it comes in two separate pieces. I don't know why they couldn't make it as one piece that extends the full length of the dash. I think that would make the install even easier and look much neater. But to be honest, when you're driving you can't really see the join as it's well hidden behind the screen, and it's probably only if you went looking for it that you would notice it at all. The other part which I'm a little disappointed with is the fact that it doesn't extend the full length of the dash. So when you open the door, as you can see on the screen now, you can still see a bit of the wood finish. So I might try and get some small pieces of Alcantara just to cover over the edges and complete the look. But it feels like something this could be easily incorporated into the existing product. Maybe it would prevent the doors from closing correctly, I don't know. I've also seen the option where you can choose to replace the full dash piece with an Alcantara covered piece. And I think this is probably the more neater option. But there is quite a significant price difference between the version that I got and the complete dash replacement for what is a pretty small section of dash. The version that I got was £169 or $209 from the TL Yard website, and you can get it even cheaper if you use my discount code listed in the description as well. There are also cheaper versions available online, and I can't vouch for the quality of those, but generally with this stuff you seem to get what you pay for, and this is a pretty good quality item. Make sure you take a look at the TL Yard website. They have some great Tesla products, including rear screens, dash screens, plenty of great aftermarket accessories and much more. And check out the description of this video for additional savings using my discount code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.